Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So guys, this is episode 1 of season 3. Finally, we started season 3. We've waited for long. So this is what we are doing in season 3, episode 1. Let's get right into the video. I'm using double thread, so I'm just going to pass my thread through my needle and then tie a knot at the end, just like so. I'm using medium size pearl and a big pearl, and then I'm going to use these separators, these good separators, 2 separators you see over there, and other materials used will be in the description box, so you can check them out after the video. So I'm just going to my thread is about 60 centimeters after I divided it into 2 and tied the knot, and I'm just going to pick 25 of the medium size pearls. So I'm picking 25. I separated it because I wanted to use 30 on each side, but I realized it would be too long. I wanted to be in the form of a choker, so I decided to use 25 instead. So after picking the 25, I went ahead to pick 1 separator, then the large pearl, then I added the other separator, and I'm going to add the other 25 pieces of pearls. So that's me picking 25. Alright, so this is 25. I counted one side to be sure it was 25, and I did the other side off camera, and guys, this is what we have. So I went ahead to cut the needle off. I should have left it on in a way though, but I went ahead to get rid of the needle, and then I'm going to put 2 of these stoppers. It's metallic in nature. It looks like seed bead, but it's metallic in nature. So I'm going to put 2 of this seed bead. So I'm passing 2 of the stoppers. I'm going to put other 2 threads through 2 of the stoppers. I believe that one is better. Yeah, so basically that I'm going to put 2. Then I'm going to put on my clasp ring. That's what I'll be using to lock and open the necklace. So I'm just going to pass it through. I'm passing the thread, the 2 threads through it, and I'm going to pass the threads back through the stoppers, leaving the clasp ring. So go through it just like so, and you can decide to pass it through a couple of beads before you what word do I want to use? Before you press the stoppers, and then you get rid of the excess thread. So that's basically what I'm trying to do. Now once that was done, I went ahead to press the stoppers, only the stoppers. So make sure you press it very hard so that when you get rid of your excess thread, your thread won't remove. That's the main reason why we put the stoppers there. I'm just going to do the other side real quick, and then guys, we'll be out of here. And if you've watched up to this point, I believe you've enjoyed it. At least you've learned something. So please subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so that why am I talking so fast? So that you'll be notified the moment the next episode, which is episode 2, is uploaded. And at the end of the video, yeah, I'll introduce the next episode, which is episode 2 of this very season 3. So make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode. And please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe and turn on your bell notification. It helps with the algorithm a lot. It helps the algorithm to push my video. So please smash the like button for me, and if possible, leave a comment. It also helps, the engagement helps with the algorithm, so that like your girl can go and go, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, so thank you so much once again for stopping by my channel. This is one of the easiest episodes. The first episode is mostly the easiest necklace design or the easiest design we'll be doing in that particular season. This season is all about necklaces, and I know from the experience you got from season 1 and season 2, you know we are not here to joke, we are here to do crazy designs, guys. I present to you episode 1. Now let's welcome episode 2. Yo guys, so this is what we are doing in episode 2 of season 3. I know you wouldn't want to miss this. Like, wouldn't you want to know how I got all these 2 together? This is more or less like steps. So if you want to know, then please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode, which is episode 2 of this very season, is uploaded. And I'll see you in episode 2. Bye. And please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.